Whenever the shampoo from your bottles tend to get over, or maybe even the body wash tend to get over from the bottles, does this thought run through your mind that wish I could do something out of this bottle than rather throw it in the dustbin? Well, today I am going to show you exactly the thing that you could do making use of this kind of plastic bottle. So stay along. Here I have taken the empty shampoo bottle, scissors, knife, and you'll need a perforator. So what we'll do first is we'll remove the top lid, and this portion of the bottle we'll cut it off as we do not require this. So first just make a cut, and once you have a cut, through that cut you can pass the scissor and cut the top end of the bottle. The bottom portion of this bottle will need to have thickness so that the towel holder can be held properly. For that I will make a U, seeing how much distance would be suitable enough. This depends on different people, they might need a deep one. So depending on how you all want, you all can make the U, and on the broader side I will just make a U shape. On one side I will make an outline for where the hook needs to be put in for the holder, and on other side I will make the hook itself with the same U kind of shape, as you can see. Now let me tell you, this holder can come in multiple uses. Once you have made it, you will know exactly where you would need to use it. You can keep it in the bathroom, you can keep it in your kitchen. This is how the holder will look once you have done the cutout. Now for the sides, the corners, as you can see, it is sharp, so you will just give it a curve cut in this way. Now it's time for the perforator. The place where you need to put in the hook, that area you'll have to see carefully and make use of the perforator to punch in holes in that area itself. You need not worry that it is not coming in a square or a rectangle shape. You just need enough of space so that that hook can pass through. Now if you can see, the shape over here after using the perforator is somewhat like a butterfly, and I will simply try to push this hook through that shape of the butterfly and pull it out from the other side in this way, as you can see. And here that forms our holder, and this we can use anywhere to hang the towels. It is very flexible. At the same time it will come in long-term use. Now let's try to hang our towel in this holder, and you can see I have put in the lock for the holder, and this is where I have placed it. You can place it anywhere on your kitchen drawers where you have those pull out areas. You can use it there, or on the window grills. I'm sure many of y'all must have not had a clue about making this kind of a hack. It is different, it takes a little time, but definite enough it comes in a long-term use. So in case if you all find this hack interesting and useful, what you all have to do is share it with others so that others also can make use of those shampoo bottles which get over, rather than throwing it in the dustbin. For those of you all who have come here for the first time or have visited my channel before and have forgotten to click on the subscribe button, it's a sincere request from me to please click on the subscribe button and the bell notification icon, selecting all, so that you get updates on all my upcoming videos. And if you all have any suggestions or requests, please feel free to send me an email, or you all can even leave us a comment. That's all on today's episode. Hope you all have liked it. Do let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you next time with another new hack on how hacks. Bye for now.